As we can see in project details page, a project has two sets of information. First is common across all locations, this one, and second set is specific to a particular location. The common information can be edited only by creator of a project, while location specific information can be edited by any project leader for that specific location. Any of these is box. In this video, we'll see how a project creator can edit common information of a project. Only a project leader of a leading NGO can create a project. To edit common information of a project created by a particular project leader, he has to go to project leader home. So let's go there. Inside project leader home, there is one section manage created projects. This lists all the projects created by that particular project leader. Let's go to annual snooker competition now, the project that we saw just now. As you can see here, there are 6 sections for editing the project. We'll see each of them one by one. First is edit common information. This section can be used to edit the entire common information section of this. Let's try editing few things. For example, for category, let's add one more thing. Let's add education also. Then in skills, let's add designer also, and then save this. Now if we see over here, earlier it was entertainment and sports in categories, and skills designer was not there. Let's now refresh this. So you can see education came in over here and designer also came in over here. Next option is remove existing locations. So currently you can see there are 4 locations. Let's try deleting one of these. Since this action will delete the project for that location, so it asks for final confirmation from user. Let's proceed. Now let's go to add new location section. Location for a particular leading NGO can be of 4 types. One is branch, another is PAG, which is public action group in a particular geographical location. Third is preferred venue, and fourth is head office. So head office, branch and PAG will be specific to that leading NGO, whereas venues will be shared across all NGOs, but an NGO has to choose preferred venues for itself. These addresses are managed by NGO manager. We'll see how these are managed when we'll be discussing NGO manager home. Let's add the PAG that we deleted just now, and let's add some project leaders. So let's add one preferred venue also. Now let's see what are the existing locations. There are overall 6 locations. The ones that we created just now were this one and this one. Add new location section is meant only for adding new locations of leading NGO. To add locations of partner NGO, we have another section called add partner NGO, which we'll discuss after some time. Notice one more thing in add new location section. Here all project leaders of leading NGO are listed to be considered for assigning leadership role for the new location being added. So in next section, which is reassign leaders in locations, the leaders assigned in this section can be reassigned. Let's reassign leader for the PAG that we added just now. We added this Dwarka Geo PAG just now. So you can see that we added 2 project leaders at that time. Let's make it 1. So now we can see that again. Then only 1 project leader is present over there right now. Next section is remove partner NGOs. Currently there are 2 partner NGOs. when a partner NGO is added, then project location combination for head office address of that partner NGO is added. Let's delete one of these partner NGOs. Let's say we are deleting section. Since this is hard delete, it is asking for confirmation. So partner NGO got deleted successfully. Next section is add new partner NGO. So we can select the partner NGO that we deleted just now, and we need to select one point of contact for that partner NGO. So let's select this one and save this. Then we can see this that section is listed again over here because we just now added that. So this completes all editing option for common information of a project.